Here at 72220 Mossy Creek, this beautiful 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom beauty. Just wanted to let you guys get a look. So I opened up this 3-car garage just so you can kind of see. The breaker panel is located inside the garage. So let's go on inside and check everything out. Okay, beautiful floors. So immediately upon entering, we have a study area here to our right. Super bright outside. Just off the studies, our first hallway to our half bath. So we have a commode and a pedestal sink. Then we also have a hallway closet, linen closet there. And then we come to the living area, nice open flow. So to our right, we have the kitchen. Beautiful countertops, flooring consistent throughout. So double sinks, dishwasher, 5-burner electric stove there, or microwave, and a refrigerator, and then the pantry door just to the right of that. So I'll kind of go around so you can see what it looks like and just do full circles. As you can see, if you're in the kitchen, it still opens up to the living area, and then our little eating area just off the kitchen here. And I went ahead and opened up the back door so we could just pop out and see the screen porch, outdoor fan going. And then our nice private backyard. It backs up to the woods there, so as you can see, it's beautiful, nice and private. Okay, and just off of that's our living area. And we also have a gas fireplace. So as we make our way across, come to our laundry room. So we have a as-is washer and dryer included. Countertop and cabinet space for folding. And then bedroom 1, it's a dual master with this home. So this is the first option for master or guest suite here on the first floor. And let's take a look at the attached ensuite. So we have our commode there off to the left. And just behind the door, we have our tiled shower. Sink, our jetted tub, and our second sink there. And then our walk-in closet. As you can see, more than enough storage. So this is our first floor master option and or guest room. All right, let's make our way upstairs and check out the remainder of this beauty. Nice rails. And as we enter upstairs, we come to our loft area. It's a great space for an office or a play area. And just outside this door, we have a balcony. So that's where we came out there. Then we're back inside to where the loft's located. And if we continue down the hall, this is our second full bath with bathroom number 3. Have double sinks, tub and our commode off to the side there. And that just ties right into bedroom number 2. There's access to that bathroom from the hallway or directly from this bedroom. As you can see, very large closet for a secondary bedroom. All right, we'll go out through the actual bedroom door. And so that's where we came up the stairs. That's where we entered that bathroom there. Directly next to this bedroom is another closet. So tons of storage. We make our way down the hall to bedroom number 3. So similar beautiful flooring, ceiling fan. And a nice size closet. And down this hallway, yet another storage closet. So as I said earlier, tons of storage, I wasn't kidding. And here we are in our 4th bedroom. Ceiling fan, beautiful floors. Nice and bright coming from outside. And again, our closet. In our 3rd full bath, it's a single sink, tons of storage space, nice upgraded countertops there again, commode and our tub. And bedroom number 5, which is our upstairs master. And you could see from the significant size difference compared to the other bedrooms. Ceiling fan, beautiful floors as well. Nicely lit. And here's our closet, our walk-in closet. I'll come around. And let's go look at the attached ensuite. So we have dual sinks separated there. Again, upgraded countertops, consistent throughout. And similar to the first floor master, a jetted tub. And you guessed it, more storage, a linen closet there, and then our stand-in shower off to the side, and a room with our commode there. And that's the overview of 7220 Mossy Creek. Thank you guys so much for watching.